over the next couple of days, we're going to be running around picking up packages. So that gives us the perfect opportunity to talk about how we get our mail while on the road. But let's talk about like the different ways to get things shipped. So if you're ordering things on Amazon, a lot of bigger cities have these hub lockers. You can send it there, and then when it gets there, you get a little code to put into the locker, and you type in the code, and then the door opens that has your package.
Yeah, that works pretty good as long as your package fits in there, but there's a lot of stuff on Amazon that they can't send to those boxes.
And it doesn't tell you about it until like you're putting in the address, and then you have to figure out something else.
Yep.
But then if that doesn't work, a lot of, again, like bigger towns will have it where you can send them to like a store, and then they'll hold it behind the counter for you.
Part of the problem is knowing how your package is going to be shipped. If it's going to be shipped FedEx, UPS, USPS, that's kind of a big struggle nowadays, it seems like, from what we've run into. If you're ordering UPS, you can get it sent to a UPS store, which has fine.
Worked pretty well in the past for us.
You have to pay like a $5 holding charge. Obviously, if you're staying at a campground, most campgrounds, you can just get stuff sent to your campground.
But if you're boondocking, we always all the time.
Boondock. So USPS, they have general delivery that you can do.
But not at all locations.
Not at all locations. It's kind of hit or miss. Sometimes they get the mail and they go, we don't know what the hell to do with this, and they send it back.
So it's usually best if you like just call ahead and be like, I'm gonna have something sent here.
FedEx can really be a pain in the ass. The best luck I've had with FedEx is to get it addressed to a local hub. Now they hate that. They hate it. They chew you out every time typically, but it tends to work. You tend to get your package without it getting lost or sent to the wrong place or sent back.
And we'll pretty much be getting one from each of those over the course of the next couple of days.
Yep.
And so y'all get to see the process of it all. Usually being close to a big city helps out, but we're not at the moment.
So we have to get some fairly big packages for some parts for the truck. We ordered them on Amazon, so we couldn't really find somewhere close to send them. They didn't fit in one of them hub boxes or whatever, so we actually had to send it all the way to Phoenix, which is about 3 hours from us. And then we had some other stuff shipped to a town that's about an hour from our camper because they have a box. Luckily, we still have the cruise, so we don't have to drive the semi right now or the bike. Anyways, it's like 50-mile-an-hour winds today, so we're not taking the bike. But yeah, luckily we still got the cruise for now.
And I'm sure a lot of you are thinking, why not just move closer? Well, because our brand new to us truck is inoperable at the moment. So we're stuck where we are until further notice. Good morning, guys. We are on our way to the UPS store in Lake Havasu to pick up one of our other packages from UPS. With this one, how does it all work? Because I've never done it. So how do you get it shipped to like the UPS store?
You just put in your name and then the address for the UPS store, and then when it gets there, you go pick it up and they charge you like $5.
Oh, so it's not like USPS where you have to put like general delivery or anything?
Right.
Oh, okay. So this morning, before we left, we called to make sure that it was there and just gave them the tracking number or whatever. And yep, sure enough, it is at their location. So we are on the way to go pick it up. This is the tiniest UPS center we've ever been to.
Give me just a moment.
Okay.
Take it off of this.
Oh, do you want me to just back up to that door over there so I don't have to go as far?
Man, that thing is giant. Is it like 60 pounds? Oh, perfect fit. So the original shipping date delivery date was Friday, and today's Monday. So I mean, besides like the couple extra days that it took to get here.
Well, the thing about that package is we can't move our camper without it.
Yeah.
And we've been out of water since Friday.
Yeah. So life has been just slightly more complicated than usual. But we got the package now. So it was super easy. You just go in the building, name, tracking number, or whatever, and then they'll just give you your package.
So that one in particular, we didn't actually get sent to a UPS store, which we typically do. We got that sent to like the actual like distribution center thing.
Yeah, so a little bit different than usual, but still pretty simple. Up next on our to-do list is to drop off a return package for Amazon. Now I'm pretty sure it's the same, like no matter how you return packages. We are going to go to another UPS store to drop it off there, and like they print out the label and everything, and then that's good to go.
There you are. Thank you.
You too. So, like we said, super easy. We printed out the label at home. We just brought it in here, and they just printed off a receipt thingy, and that was all. After going up to Havasu and getting the UPS package that we were grabbing and doing all that up there, we got a notification that saying all of our Amazon packages down in Phoenix are now ready to be picked up too. So we're on the way going there to the little desk thing at some Whole Foods or something.
Yeah. The reason we had to send them there is because they were big. They're like big packages, and this is like, I don't know, some certain Amazon counter that's like not like one of them Amazon boxes. So
we'll see. I don't think we've ever been to something quite like this, or had packages sent to something quite like this.
It's called the Amazon Hub Counter Plus. So it's not like a...
It has the plus.
Yeah. So to be updated, we don't know what that means. But our packages were able to be sent here.
So now we're making the trek to Phoenix to get the rest of our packages, and yeah.
Then we are going to get dinner with some friends.
We finally made it to wherever we're supposed to be. So
we don't like cities.
It's in a Whole Foods, but you have to park in a parking ramp to get to the Whole Foods.
And these are big packages, so this is going to be real interesting.
So I think we're going to have to like go down like an elevator or like escalator or something, because it's like downstairs, and then carry him all the way back up. I don't know. I don't know how this is going to go. This is stressful. This is new to us. So
these are like big packages.
This is like us learning all over again.
Like big.
That's what she said. Yeah, okay. Wish us luck.
Okay, yeah. Bring our back. Yeah, that'll work.
And does it go up? Like yeah? Okay.
Okay.
That would probably work then. Oh God. We're riding along with our packages.
Yeah.
This is so weird. I was scared of it like falling over or something. Yeah, so we don't get out much, as you can see. That was honestly kind of cool. So how would you rate your Whole Foods Amazon counter experience?
7?
A 7? That box is falling apart. So what's in that? Could anything be broken in that? Oh, it's those.
These boxes.
Oh yeah, because shouldn't we have one more? Or should we want? Huh.
I think there was one more.
The rating may have just gone down to like a 5. And now we're on the hunt for our last package.
Mm-hmm. All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks. Found it.
Got it.
So it's a good thing that we had noticed it. I mean, we drove for like 3 hours to come get these things. So I'm glad that we noticed it when we did and didn't just like drive off without getting it. On to dinner. So after running all over the countryside over this last week, we finally got the rest of our packages. I really hope you found this video kind of helpful, because when we first started, we had no idea how to get mail or do any of the packaging stuff or any of that. So hopefully this video helps some of you who are out there just starting to full-time. And if you did find this video helpful and you did like it, make sure to go check out our boondocking video because there's a lot of good info in that one too. Thanks guys, see you next time.